Good morning, grade 5, and a warm welcome to the English class. Well, children, have you watched this movie Jurassic Park? Yes? Yes, children, I know most of you have watched this Jurassic Park. What was it about, Jurassic Park? Think. Yes, about the dinosaurs. And have you seen this movie, Dinosaurs? Children, have you ever wondered what happened to them? Have you ever wondered why are they not existing now? What happened to them? How did they just disappear from the earth? Well, so children, I think today we may get an answer about this great dinosaur mystery. What happened to them? So let's open our textbook to page 110, unit 14. Children, can you name any dinosaurs? T-Rex. Can you see, children, there is a picture here. There are pictures here. Okay. Now, if you have seen the movie Jurassic Park, you can even watch it now. Or the dinosaurs. You could get the names of the dinosaurs. And let me know during the Zoom class the name of the dinosaurs. Okay. So you can earn your stars there. So that would be a homework for you. To find out the names of any dinosaurs. So let's begin, children, today's lesson, the great dinosaur mystery. What's the meaning of mystery, children? Children, please have your dictionaries with you, okay? I understand most of you know the meaning of mystery, but you must have your dictionary with you and find out the meaning of mystery. You have read many mystery books also, so you will know what's a mystery. Unit 14, the great dinosaur mystery. What happened to the dinosaurs? Dinosaurs first walked the earth over 200 million years ago. Children, see this, 200 million years ago. The word dinosaur, first used by zoologist Richard Owen in 1842, comes from the Greek word meaning terrible lizard. Children, please take time and read this sentence again. So what does the word dinosaur mean, children? It means terrible lizard. Okay, dinosaur means terrible lizard. I think this is a question also here. Yes, what does the word dinosaur mean? Children, when I am explaining, okay, you will get most of the answers, comprehension answers behind. So please pay attention. The dinosaurs were reptiles and there were many different types. Children, what's the meaning of reptiles? Come on, open your dictionaries, children. And I think you know it, the meaning of reptiles. You have learned in science. Okay. Some were enormous. Enormous means huge, large. Some were tiny. Children, see, you have the opposite word here, enormous and tiny. Some lived in oceans. Some could fly. But most lived on land. Children, imagine some could fly if they were there now. Okay. The dinosaurs were a successful species that dominated the earth for over 150 million years. Children, they were a successful species. Now, what's the meaning of species? Yes, this too also, children, you have learned in science. Species are what? Kinds, different types, different type of plant species we have, different type of birds, animals. Okay, so the species are type, kind or sort, different sort of. And what's the meaning of dominated? Dominated is to have power, ruled. So the dinosaurs were a successful species that dominated the earth for over 150 million years. Scientists have always been fascinated by dinosaurs. And one of the most important questions scientists have is what happened to them? Children, not only scientists, even we wonder what happened to them. If you have watched the movie, I'm sure most of you have watched it. After the movie, you'll have this feeling what happened to them. After 65 million years ago, about 65 million years ago, the dinosaurs suddenly disappeared from the earth forever. Over the years, scientists have suggested different theories to explain why this happened. Okay, so scientists have suggested different theories to explain why this happened. Now, children, just pause here. Okay, pause here and discuss. You could discuss, or you could, yes, you don't have a partner, otherwise, you could have discussed. Okay, so just think, what is the purpose of this first paragraph? Or you could discuss with your mom or your dad, whoever's there, or your brother or sister. Yes, discuss with your brother or sister. Yes, what is the purpose of this first paragraph? Discuss with your brother or sister. Both of you could do it together. What's the purpose of the first paragraph? Children, first, what type of text is this? This is a non-fiction or fiction? It's non-fiction. Right now, you know what's a non-fiction text. Okay? So take a moment to think, what's the purpose of the first paragraph? Children, see the first paragraph, if you read it, okay, you will see that it introduces the topic. It is introducing the topic. Right? And it's also giving us, some essential facts. It's also giving us some essential facts. So let's move further. Destruction of dinosaur eggs. One of the earliest theories suggested to explain the disappearance of the dinosaur is that dinosaur eggs were eaten by smaller animals. Okay, so one theory is that the dinosaur eggs were eaten by smaller animals. Sorry, one minute. One of the earliest theories suggested to explain the disappearance of the dinosaur is that dinosaur eggs were eaten by smaller animals before they could hatch. So it was eaten by smaller animals before they could hatch. A hen, okay? The eggs are hatched, and then after 21 days, I think 21 days, you have a baby chick. You have a small chick. So one of the theory is, children, that it was eaten by smaller animals. What do you think, children? Take a moment to think. The theory is very difficult to prove. Why do you think, children, it's difficult to prove? And do you think, children, it is possible that, yes, smaller animals always, children, if you see even these hens, the snake, if you go to your native place and if you have hens, you will see at night, okay, there's a snake which will come, or a rat to eat the eggs. Let's move further. Most creatures will defend their young even if it means being killed themselves. Children, this is a natural instinct of the animals. If you watch Natural Geographic channel, okay, you will see this. The mother will defend her baby. I was watching some, about elephants, and the mother lost her baby elephant and she wouldn't move from there. There was no water. The place was getting dry and she wouldn't move. And children, elephants live in herds. They don't live alone. They're always in a group. So, do you think, children, is it possible? As I told you this thing, children, this is real. You have these hens, or sorry, when you have hens in your home, you'll see these snakes or rats coming to take the eggs or take the chicks. And then in the night, you will hear the hens. So, okay, there is a visitor there who has come to eat the chicks. So, a mother will always defend her young one. She will protect the young one. It seems highly unlikely that all the different types of dinosaurs should have had this problem at the same time. So, children, what do you think? Is it possible that all of them could disappear at the same time? Is it that there are no more dinosaurs because their eggs were eaten? Think. What do you think? Take a moment to think. Children, here, highly unlikely. What's the meaning of this? It's a phrase. Highly unlikely. What's the meaning of this? Likely is what? Unlikely. Children, see your un prefix. So, highly unlikely is not really possible. Not really possible. So, well, children, what do you think? Okay. Why do you think, children, that animals eating dinosaur eggs is unlikely to be the cause of the dinosaurs dying out? Yes? Children, this question is there behind. Okay, if you see in the comprehension, this question is there. It's over here. So think, children, why animals eating dinosaur eggs is unlikely to be the cause of the dinosaur dying out. Think. Children, it is probably true. Yes, it is true that the dinosaur eggs were eaten by other creatures. But it is unlikely that this would have affected all the dinosaurs at the same time. Think of this current, what we have, this bird flu. Okay? Children, we had bird flu, I think, even last year. So these chickens are still there, no? Just think. Okay? These are just the theories. So just think. So was that a reason that the dinosaurs are extinct now? Are you getting it, children? What I'm saying is, yes, the theory that the dinosaurs' eggs were eaten, it is true. Because even you have today that other animals eat the eggs and chicks of the animal. That's how the food chain is. But it's unlikely that this would have affected all the dinosaurs at the same time. Are you getting it now? Okay. Deadly X-rays. Now, children, think about this theory. Another theory is that a nearby exploding star showered the earth with deadly radioactive X-rays. Children, now this is in bold. Okay, radioactive X-rays are rays of harmful energy. Rays of harmful energy. Like, children, I think you have learnt in science. When if you go for an X-ray or if you go for what is that, MRI. Okay, so there you have to wear a shield or something because those waves, that energy waves, they are very harmful. Okay, let's continue. This is an interesting notion. Children, interesting notion. What's the meaning of notion? Where's your dictionary? Please open your dictionaries, children. Yes, and find the meaning of notion. Interesting notion. What's the meaning of that? Yes. Interesting notion is an idea worth thinking about. An idea worth thinking about. So, interesting notion is an idea worth thinking about. Okay. However, There is no trace of radioactivity in the rocks that contain fossilized dinosaur remains. Children, fossilized, see, this is your past tense, past participle, ed. Okay. What's the meaning of fossilized, children? What's the meaning of fossil? Fossils are the remains, children, or the traces of plants and animals that lived long, long ago. So fossilized is where it is these organic remains that are preserved. That's the meaning of fossilized. Okay. The radioactivity may have gradually dispersed over millions of years, but there is no way to prove the theory. Children, see this. Gradually dispersed. Gradually is slowly. What's the meaning of disperse? You have learned about flowers, seeds, dispersal of seeds. So that is slowly, to spread slowly, or slowly went away. Over here it is slowly went away. Right? Okay. Now just children, think about this theory. Why the theory of deadly radioactive X-ray is impossible to prove? This we just now discussed. Okay. Now these are the different theories. Now why do you think why the theory of deadly radioactive X-ray is impossible to prove? Yes? Think, come on. Any idea? Come on, children. So the theory of deadly radioactive X-ray is impossible to prove because the radioactivity could not still be there. See, children, it's given there, no? No traces. Children, see the time period. If you look here, 200 million years ago. Look at the beginning, okay? So then you will get. So it is because the radioactive could not still be there. That could be the reason. Now let's see another theory. So two theories are ruled out. Now let's see the next one. Gradual climate change. This is a very current topic. Last year in school also we had a debate on this. This is your global warming, children. What is global warming? All of us talk about global warming. What is it, global warming? It is a gradual increase in the overall temperature of the atmosphere. And this could be the reason because of high levels of carbon dioxide and pollutants and all that. So that's a global warming. So gradual climate change. The Earth's climate is always changing, making some areas hotter and others cooler. Some scientists have suggested that 65 million years ago, ice from the polar regions may have spread and destroyed dinosaur habitats. Children, these habitats, now you're well familiar with this word habitats. These are homes of animals. We have done this in the wildcats. You have come across this word many times. Alternately, the temperature could have heated up, causing the ice to melt. This would have resulted in sea levels rising and dinosaur habitats being destroyed by flooding. Children, please read this paragraph again. Read it again and try to understand. Yes, read it. Done? Okay, so let's see. I think there's a question here. Yes. What were the two possible effects of gradual climate change on the dinosaur habitats? Yes. What were the two possible effects of gradual climate change on the dinosaurs' habitats? What was it? Think. What is it, children? See here it's given, no? Polar region. So the two possible effects of the gradual climate change on the dinosaur habitats were that ice from the polar region, see here, ice from the polar region destroyed the habitats. or the temperature warmed up. Okay, that's the temperature of what they have given us. So the temperature warmed up, causing sea levels to rise, and floods destroyed the dinosaur habitats. Now let's move further. Children, we are on page 11111. Okay, new theories. In the 1970s, scientists discovered a 180 kilometers wide crater near the coastal town of Chicxulub, Puerto in Mexico, which suggests that an asteroid may have struck the Earth just at the time when the dinosaur disappeared. Oh, now this is another theory. Okay, what are they saying? Children, please read. Okay, children, we have learnt about the craters. What is it? See, it is there here in the glossary. We had done this lesson, no? The landing on the moon. So these are large holes in the ground. Okay, now this is a place in Mexico. Chicxulub, Puerto. So they say it was because of a crater. So where the dinosaurs disappeared. So where was the children the 180 kilometer wide crater discovered? It was discovered near Chicxulub, Puerto, Mexico. Okay. I think this also question is there behind. Yes, it's there. Okay. The impact of the asteroid could have had a devastating effect. Children, impact. What's the meaning of impact? One object hitting another. If you have an accident on the road, okay, two vehicles, you could see the impact. A devastating effect. What's the meaning of this, children? It's a phrase. So what's the meaning of this? Yes? Serious damage. As I told you, because of the accident, if you see on the road, the impact. What was the impact and what was the effect? So it means a devastating effect is resulted in serious damages. Mountains would have formed in minutes and huge tsunamis could have spread over a wide area. Tsunami, children, very long high waves caused by undersea earthquakes. As you have land earthquakes, we have undersea earthquakes also. That's the tsunami. We had recently, I think 10 years back. Just check, I'm not very sure. It affected India also. Okay, Kanyakumari places near Chennai were affected. Added to the impact of the asteroids, high levels of volcanic activity had started 250,000 years before the crater was formed and continued for 500,000 years afterwards in the area that is now India. Children, look at this. Oh, now what do we believe? Which theory is right? Think. Children, what's the meaning of debris? This is also what we have done it many times. Broken pieces of something. After an air crash, mostly this word is used. If you listen to the news or if you read the newspaper, you will get these words. Fossilized remains show that at this time, 4 out of every 5 plant and animal species became extinct. Okay, now children, over here they had these fossilized. Children, these fossils, no, they are used to study. So here what did they see? That the animal species became extinct. Extinct means died out completely. So it now appears that dinosaurs were one of the many species that died out as a result of one devastating impact combined with hundreds and thousands of years of volcanic activity. So what do you think, children? They say because of this volcanic activity. Children, please read this paragraph again to understand it. Okay? Just try to understand. What is it saying? So what two effects, children, did the impact of the asteroids have on the earth? When there was this asteroid, what happened? What are asteroid, children? A large rocky object in space. Okay. So they say that struck the earth. So what was the effect of that? What is the impact? As I gave you an example here, if you have come across any accident on the road, you see the impact, no? So what happened? What two effects did the impact of the asteroid have on the earth? Yes, the impact of the asteroid caused mountains to form and tsunamis to spread over a wide area. That was the impact, okay, of the asteroid. Now, yeah, this question is here also, okay. Now, think, children, why the result of the asteroid hitting Earth and the volcanic activity could have caused the dinosaur to die out. Think. Why the result of the asteroid hitting Earth and the volcanic activity could have caused the dinosaur to die out. Why? Think. You know, children, what could have happened is the result of an asteroid hitting the Earth and the volcanic activity could have, you know, it could have blotted out the sun's heat and light. That could be the reason. Okay, see what is given over here. The debris could have blocked out the light. So blotted out is to destroy. Okay, where you cannot see it. So that could be the reason. So the result of an asteroid hitting the Earth and the volcanic activity could have blotted out the sun's heat and light. So children, what do you think? Which of the theories do you find most convincing? Which you think convincing means? What's the meaning of convincing? Convincing is to believe over here. Which do you think you are convinced? Which of the theories do you find most convincing and why? Think. I will ask you during Zoom. So the question is, which of the theories do you think, do you find most convincing and why? These are the different theories, children. Can you see? Okay. Now children, as I told you, the purpose of this, okay, this paragraph, the first paragraph is, it has introduced the topic and it gives us some essential facts. Then you have your subheadings. Children, why do you think they are, you know, you have these subheadings? See here also there is. This is to organize, you know, your text, your theory. We have done this, children, you know, title, subheadings, headings. We have done all this earlier. It's not something new. So that is the reason why, to organize the text. So for your homework, children, please read the lesson. After that, you can do your word check, then do your phrases and comprehension A, B. Try the C1 also, children, of the theories about why the dinosaur died out. Which do you think is most likely to be true? Just now the question what I asked you. So you have to give reason for your choice and explain why you are less sure about the other theories. So that is your personal response question, right? So that is all for your homework. Enjoy your learning and we meet for a Zoom. Bye children. Have a nice day.